What to pack for an Alaskan cruise and the best ports to see. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first cruise, we've compiled a list of must-have items you should pack for your Alaskan cruise. Obviously, temperatures can get pretty cold there, so you'll want to pack warm clothes. Bulky clothes can take up room in your luggage, so dressing in layers when boarding the ship can help save space. Leave extra room in your luggage or bring an extra bag for the mementos you purchase along the way. Remember to pack your policy/description of coverage when you purchase travel insurance. That way, your insurance details and contact information will be on hand in case you need assistance. Other must-have items: a camera to share your travel memories with your friends and family back home, a pair of binoculars to spot the local wildlife. Top Alaska cruise itineraries: Denali, Sitka, Glacier Bay, Tracy Arm, Ketchikan, Haines. Want to learn more? Read the complete blog here. Follow us for more travel tips at Generali Travel.